Key takeaway, India's equity markets are bracing for a subdued opening today amidst concerns over the delayed US-India trade deal, foreign outflows, and weak earnings. The overall sentiment? Uncertainty is in the air as we watch two giants dance around the table, their steps hesitant over tariff talks on agriculture and dairy products. As we delve deeper, we see our domestic banks Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank reporting weaker than expected numbers, alongside IT titans feeling the pinch too. Yet, not all is bleak. IndusInd Bank returned to profit, though with worsening asset quality, while JK Paper reported an 8th consecutive quarterly decline in profits but plans to acquire Borkar Packaging. NTPC Green Energy and Vari Energies bucked the trend, posting higher revenue and profits. Today's dance saw India's equity benchmarks dip due to the delay in an interim trade deal with the US. The Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex fell by nearly 0.3%, with 15 of 16 sectors opening lower. Even the broader mid-caps and small-caps felt the tremor, mirroring the uncertainty. Negotiations between India and the US remain deadlocked, casting doubt on a trade deal before 1st August. The elephant in the room? Trump's threat of higher tariffs, up to 20%, for trading partners not negotiating separate deals. Foreign investors cashed out $700.92 million worth of Indian shares yesterday, marking their biggest selling since 30th May. So, what does the dance floor look like tomorrow? Well, as always, it's a dance of resilience and adaptation. Remember, every step forward counts, even if it feels like 2 steps back sometimes. Stay tuned for more updates from the trading floor.